Imagine a world where all marketing campaigns are focused solely on education rather than selling. How would that look like? It's a tempting thought, isn't it? But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to examine the current state of marketing. In today's world, marketing is largely a game of persuasion, a grand spectacle designed to catch your eye and motivate you to part with your hard-earned money. It's about creating a sense of urgency, making you believe that you simply can't live without the product or service being advertised. It's a world of catchy slogans, compelling visuals, and persuasive narratives, all meticulously crafted to drive sales and increase profits. Consumers, on the other hand, often find themselves on the receiving end of this relentless sales pitch, constantly bombarded with messages telling them to buy, buy, buy. But what if we reimagine this scenario? This is the world of marketing as we know it, but what if we change the rules? Now picture a different scenario. A world where marketing is education-focused. Intriguing, isn't it? Rather than inundating consumers with flashy sales pitches, imagine marketers providing valuable, practical knowledge. What a change! In this alternate universe, consumers would be empowered with information, leading to improved decision-making. They'd understand not just what products do, but also why they need them and how they can best use them. This deeper understanding could foster a stronger connection between consumers and brands, potentially leading to increased brand loyalty. Moreover, with all marketers striving to educate, we could anticipate a significant rise in the industry standards. The competition wouldn't be about who can shout the loudest, but who can teach the best, making marketing a tool for enlightenment rather than manipulation. An interesting shift, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into this concept. So, how does this education-focused marketing compare with the current state of marketing? Well, let's dive in. Current marketing aims at persuading consumers to buy products or services, often by creating a sense of urgency or need. On the other hand, education-focused marketing is about informing and enlightening consumers, giving them the knowledge to make informed decisions. While the former can sometimes feel intrusive and pushy, the latter can foster a more trusting relationship between brands and consumers. But it's not all roses. Education-focused marketing might require more time and resources initially, as it involves creating high-quality, informative content. Yet, in the long run, it might breed more loyal customers who appreciate the transparency and value the knowledge shared. Changes would be needed in the industry, certainly. Marketers would need to shift their focus from short-term sales to long-term customer relationships. Clearly, this shift could have profound implications for both marketers and consumers. So what have we learned from this thought experiment? Well, we've delved into a world where marketing campaigns focus solely on education rather than selling. It's a shift that could potentially usher in a wave of well-informed consumers, nurturing an environment of trust and brand loyalty that extends beyond a mere transaction. Imagine an industry standard where knowledge sharing is prioritized. It would certainly require a significant shift in the marketing playbook, but the rewards could be substantial. Consumers would not only understand what they're buying, but why they should buy it, and the value it brings to their lives. Marketers, on the other hand, could reap the benefits of an engaged audience who appreciate their efforts to educate and inform. It's a win-win situation for both parties, fostering a stronger bond between brands and consumers. While we may not be there yet, it's certainly food for thought. Remember, marketing can be more than just selling. It can be a tool for education.